Hello, my friends. This is the video that I made on SOFI on November 29 of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $29.72. And at this point, my main assumption was that we completed pretty much the first movement to the upside right after I caught this bottom to the tick. I marked this by green rectangle and this yellow line. And I drew this line, a potential blueprint of its movement, of its upcoming movements. And guys, take a look right here. This is the actual price action of SOFI. When I made my previous video, we were somewhere at this point. And since I made this video, this asset had exactly as I predicted, had the movement that I predicted pretty much to the tick. It has quite substantial decline by 6.3% from the price when I made my previous video, and this is the evidence of the power of technical analysis. Guys, I even made a post in my Discord group. You can see right here the screenshot from the video, and here is wait a second, here is the actual screenshot that I made a couple of minutes ago. And yes, if you want to be a part of this community, if you want to use my experience and my brains in order to benefit out of your trades, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account with limited time offer, Black Friday 50% discount. And guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my Safe Haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Here are just a few of my trade results from the first half of October. But don't wait, this offer is available for a limited time only. Once the spots are filled, enrollment will close. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, and on today's video I will show you why this asset has a substantial decline in its price, what levels might be the levels of support from which it will have a trend reversal to the upside if it happens, and what should we expect next in the upcoming weeks. So, and let's begin with the news. What was the reason of its quite harsh movement to the downside on after-market trading? If you click at this tiny icon, you can see the most recent news. SOFI Technologies priced its stock offering at $27.5 per share to raise $1.5 billion. The stock fell over 6% in after-hours trading, closing at $27.92. And guys, it is quite interesting. Let me show you this press release in details. Let me quote it for you. SOFI expect to grant the underwriter a 30-day option to purchase up to an additional 15% of the shares of common stock offered in the offering. SOFI intends to use the net proceeds from the offering for general corporate purposes, including but not limited to enhancing capital position, increasing optionality, and enabling further efficiency of capital management and funding incremental growth and business opportunities. And guys, let me remind you that just several months ago, right after they published their previous earnings report on July 25th, they made absolutely the same statement and they raised exactly the same amount of money. If we take a look right here at their financials, you can see that in their In their balance sheet, in this section of total assets, they have about $3.75 billion cash on hands, and they previously raised about the same amount of money, about $1.5 billion. And for now, guys, I believe that the current $1.5 billion will be spent to some kind of merger and acquisition, and we don't know, and SOFI doesn't want to disclose this information for now, but I believe that it will be some kind of major crypto company potentially, in order to improve its position on the crypto industry and on the crypto market. And that is why, guys, despite the fact that it is a delusional process, the share price of SOFI fell down by just 6% at aftermarket trading. It doesn't mean that we cannot have a further decline in the upcoming Friday session, but let's continue with the technical analysis. And before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as you can see, technical analysis works perfectly well, and for now we've completed the top of its first movement right after it formed its local bottom. And we have to find out where the bottom of this movement might be, in order to see the trend reversal, in order to basically see this movement to the upside that I drew by this purple line. And to do so, you have to pull Fib retracement tool, and I already done it, because just yesterday I made a private Zoom call with my patron, where I explained to him my point of view on SOFI in this private Zoom call, and you can do the same if you are the part of my Discord group. And these levels, if I pull Fib retracement tool from this bottom to this top, the crucial levels are following. For now, we already hit $27.8, and we might have some kind of reaction out of this level, but I believe that we might land somewhere lower, from 0.5, and it is the price point of around $27, all the way down to $26. The golden pocket range, that is statistically the most probable of the most probable range of trend reversal. But guys, if these two levels break, and if it hit the 0.786 price point, the 0.786 level at the price point of roughly $25.09, in this case the likelihood of retest this bottom will be very high, and potentially it might be even the breakout below this range. But for now it is too early to make this assumption. We have to see the reaction out of 0.5 and 0.65 levels. And depending on the reaction, we can anticipate its next potential price action. And on top of that, if the volume of this trend reversal will be higher than the volume that we had basically for the last week or week and a half, this will be even more signs that the trend reversal happens. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.